Hey guys, this is Razvan Dragos, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max leather case. Black leather. Very simple box, as usual from Apple. To open, you just want to pull on this tab right here. And you have the case itself. Pops right out. Got some little instructions here. Overall, it's got a very nice feel in the hand. Huge hole for the camera system, the new camera system. Metal buttons, power button on the right, volume up and down, and a cutout for the mute switch. And we have a felt material on the inside with the open bottom for the ports. Let's take our gold iPhone 11 Pro Max and slide that in. It's a little bit heavy, not gonna lie. It looks amazing though. iPhone's still brand new. We have an open bottom for the lightning port, the speaker, microphone, and antenna band with corner protection. On the left side, we've got the volume up and down. Nice feel to them. And the mute switch, which is, it's not as easy to reach. There we go. We've got nothing on top. On the right side, we just have the power button.
Voiceover on, voiceover off.
And as you can see, screen protection is somewhat there. I would still recommend using a screen protector though. Looking at the back, we got the camera hole and just a simple Apple logo. Overall, it's a very nice feeling case. Feels very premium. Now let's take a look at the camera protection. As you can see, it's not going to scratch on a flat surface, that is. This was Razvan Dragos, and thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.